Just reduce the fan by one step.
No option.
Anybody from electrical branch? Who is there? Do something.
It's the regulator. You can't do it.
So we have a small topic, that is slicers. So I'm sharing my screen. I've started the recording. Quickly create a table first. Table you all know how to create. Put category and subcategory. Let it be. After the class, give 10 minutes.
After class, we will play on.
Put category, subcategory. Once done, this is the slicer option. Click on slicer. Now you can see what is the slicer used for? Used to filter the visual. Repeat it. Slicer is used for filtering the visual. See, by default, every another visual can filter. Yes or no? Let us suppose two different visuals are there. If I click on one particular visual, that visual will be acting like a filter for another one. Say yes or no? Yes. But that will not be enough filtering. We want our specialized filtering part, whatever we want for. So this is a dedicated filtering visual. That is known as slicer. Getting it, everyone? So it will be only used for filtering charts. It will not be used for any other specific purpose. Getting it, everyone? So slicer. So in slicer, what I have kept category. Okay, make it. Then go for slicer. You have different styles. Vertical is tiles. This is tiles option. Just check all the options. Selection, multiple selection, single selection, slicer header. Slicer header is what? Category. I can do editing for that, formatting for that. Color I can choose. Border I can choose. Then background. Values. Font color. Background color. General. If you want that title in the center, you can give title separately. Make it background color. So you can off this title, which is there. Slicer header off. This header is gone. Visual borders. Shadow. That's it. We have created a slicer, and it is very much flexible. The way you make it, it will mold it into that format. Getting it, everybody? You make it like this. See, very much flexible it is. Click on one particular. So this is single selection. Multiple selection slicer is also there. Slicer setting, selection, multiple selection. Control click if you do, more than one will be selected. Control click, all are selected. Getting it, everybody? What is slicer? Say yes or no? Huh? Yes, slicer is in dynamic way. General way, if I make a bar chart and pie chart, I have limited filtering option, right? Pie chart might have 3 slices. So in 3, I can do there also. See, 3 slices. Everybody just focus here. Category and sales. So when I click here, it is also acting same, right? But we'll not be using this in standard way. We'll have a separate slicer for filtering purpose. Getting it, everybody? Any doubt? Very good. So are we done with this? So hierarchy on slicer. Now if I want to see furniture, everybody just focus here on the screen. Furniture. In furniture also, I have kept different subcategories are there. So if I only want to see for bookcase, I am unselecting another. So in furniture, I am seeing only bookcase. And in that also, I want to see the numbers only for consumer. So see bookcase in the consumer section under the bookcase subcategory. How much is the sales? This. So in this way, I can do dynamic formatting. Filtering. Getting it, everybody? So other, if I want for chair also, consumers. In chairs also, I want consumers. In furnishing also, I want consumers. In tables also, I want consumers. So getting in which in furniture, bookcase sales for consumer segment, chair sales for consumer segment, furnishing sale for consumer segment, and table sales for consumer segment. Getting it, everybody? So this is the use of filtering. You can have whatever data you want in the visual having the slicer. Okay, so I will, for clearing, what we will be using. There was one button, right? Yes. Eraser button. Where it went? So see, here is the eraser button. Let's make this table. Subcategory sales, and this slicer put subcategory, category, subcategory, and segment. See here, you are able to see this eraser button. So clear selection option it is. Click on that clear selection, it will be gone. If I select only furniture, then if I go for clear selection, so I'll get all the options. Whatever apply filter I have applied, clear that filter. Done. So just make slicer like this. See, one button is there, select all. Where you will get that button? In the slicer setting, you have selection. Show select all button is there. If I off this, there will be only three categories are there. So at once, if you want to select all, you have select all button. Just make this slicer, everyone. Done. Go for date slicer. We'll just take order date, put in the slicer, and here in the table put order date and sum of sales. You'll get this kind of. If you're not getting same, you can click on order date here and see the format what I have. Wednesday, March 14, 2001, long date format I have selected. That's why this is coming. Done, everybody? Yes or no? If you have any doubt, please ask. In this also different styles are there. Slicer setting. See, between option is there selected for me. Between option. This is this to this, between. Style is between. After means after one particular date. Between this to this. Clear, everyone? So you can format date slicer afterwards. See, in the date slicer, if you put order date, year, quarter, month, day, all, so you'll get like this one by one. And this quarter wise you can check. Okay, you can check for month wise. Getting it? Then in month, day wise also you can select. Do it, everybody. This is slicer hierarchy for date. If you are not getting, please ask. Done.
So how to do that? After year quarter.
Vertical list is selected. Go to this. What is there? Click on this drop down and select date hierarchy. Selected. Okay. So slicer for number is same. Easy it is. You do it yourself. Now we have 30 minutes. Maximum 35 minutes. We'll create the dashboard. It's very easy. It will now show how much you have done the practice, because all charts whatever we have created, that only you have to make. So quickly open a new Power BI file, connect sample superstores order sheet, name it as profit report. Name the Power BI file as profit report. So one by one tell the names of this. What is this? Donut chart. This is bar chart. This line. This is slicer. This is card. This is matrix. It has C central east multiple columns. It has, right, which are repeating multiple times. So one by one we'll make. This is what top one. Text box. Take the text box, type sample superstores profit report, make it size 24, font size 24, Times New Roman, bold. Okay. Quickly make it. It's not bold. And this box should be transparent. Okay. Background will make it black. See, every class one dashboard means multiple dashboards I will be having. I'll delete this. Delete. What happened? Everything is fine, right? So background, right click. Right now I am on the blank page. I don't have anything. Canvas setting, canvas background, black. Okay. Depends on how black you want. See, transparency is 100%. Reduce the transparency. It will show you black. Getting it? If I just say transparency 52%. It depends on that. Getting it, everybody? First one, what I will be taking? Text box. Text box I have taken. What I should type? Sample superstore. As I have the name, paste it. Control A. After selection only you can apply the formatting. Without that you won't be able to. Select it, make it 24. Times New Roman. Okay. Text box. Try to keep it like this. And effects. Background off. Getting it? Background off. Select it. Control A. Font color white. Visual borders on. Shadow no use because background is black. If you want, you can give any yellow color shadow. Shadow. Don't give it. Just see like this. Again, if not, it's not looking good, right? So make this border as white. Effect. Border as white. Okay, this much. You can make this as center alignment. So once this is done, after that we'll make small things, easy ones. This is what sales profit quantity cards, sales profit quantity. Add sales profit quantity card 3. Add one card, put sales into that. Okay, I'll hide the call out value. Call out label on off. Title on. What on? Title. Sales. And it should be in middle. Size I'll make it small. Font size small. Somewhere around, not titles, title font I'll make it. $16 and this also make it around 20 or 25. We'll make it white and title also I'll make it white. Why I'm making it white? Background off. Okay. So visual borders on. This white, rounded corners. Make it 30%. So I want this for sales and quantity also. So Control C, Control V 2 times, pasting it side by side, removing this, putting profit, going here and making the title as profit. Who is that speaking so loud? Quantity, I want to make it. What is the spelling of quantity? Is it correct? Anybody? Uantity. Let us check what is the rounded shape for this. Rounded corner. Visual border. It's 28%. Size is also real good. Size for this is, call out value is 38. Make it 38. Now see, if you want to move it from one place to another, you can move it, hold it and move. But little bit if you want to move, press control, not shift. Press shift and right arrow, left arrow, you can move. Okay. And very less if you want to do, just press right, left without pressing on any button. Still it will work slightly. Little more if you want to do, press shift. Got it, everyone? Profit, sales, quantity. Then what else I want? This donut chart. Take this donut chart. Profit by region, profit by segment, profit by category. So take the donut chart. Profit by region. Do all the formatting here and just copy paste it and change the elements. First do all the formatting. So you want background off. Go to general, make that thing first. Effect, background off. Legend, if you don't want, switch off the legend. Now detail label, you want all detail label you want. Then value should be white color, bold, white, Times New Roman. Then title, make it white, make it in center. So this is, I'm done. So copy, paste 3 times. Reduce the size, reduce the text box size if required. So I'll reduce it a little bit. So second one, what I want according to the segment, removing the region, putting the segment. Then next one I want according to what I want, category. Select it. Put the category. Then profit by year and quarter. So here I want this too, and the size is good. Here page information, canvas setting 800 and 1550. Here how much it is? Canvas setting. Here canvas setting is small. I'll put custom 800 and 1550. 1550. So now I have more space. See, earlier it was small. Now it is having more space. So according to your laptop screen size, you can adjust. So now I will select all these three and I'll move them a little bit that side. Anybody want any help? Please ask. So here I will take profit by year and quarter. So line chart, profit by year and quarter. There is profit. Year, quarter. These two things I'll keep. So I'll go this general background of grid lines. I'll keep x-axis, y-axis, values, white color, bold, and Times New Roman. All the things I'm keeping in Times New Roman. Values, white color, Times New Roman. Title also white color. Times New Roman. Now title, main chart title, white color.
और line chart होता है ना please.
Putting profit and year quarter. So in this I have kept only horizontal lines, vertical lines I have removed. Select this vertical grid lines off, horizontal that also I am keeping solid. Is it looking good or dotted was good? Dotted I'll keep. And data labels on. Data labels values also bold white. Value
Why is it profit line? For line chart. I'm getting
scroll up.
year and quarter.
This is year and quarter wise. Okay. So our time is about to finish. What all things we want then? Now what are remaining? 1, 2, 3. So creating the matrix is easy. Select subcategory, region, sum of sales, not profit. Sales, profit, because this is a profit report. Made matrix. Create the matrix, everyone. What all things you'll put? The rows, subcategory, region, profit. So here we have styles for that. Styles. So minimal, alternating rows. So we have alternating rows here. And in that column headers also will make background color black. Column values row headers background is black. Subcategory. Row header. Style is spares. Just select the spare style. You'll get this output. Selected style. Done. Slicer. Slicer is for state. Profit by subcategory. Two things are remaining. Take the bar. Profit by subcategory. Select any one particular chart format painter, apply to this, and whatever is not applied, that you can go and change. Like for y-axis values, you can take color white, title white, x-axis values white, title white, grid lines white, and that's it. Then one thing is remaining. Last one is slicer. You want here state background. We'll select any particular visual and apply. So all these things, slicer setting, slicer header, color white, border white, values white, white. Got it, everybody? So we are done in almost 30 minutes. State. How many of you are done? Just take the screenshot and put it in the group quickly. Those who are not done, please shift to other class. Do it, put it in the group, and then you can leave for today. I have another class. Students are waiting outside. Quickly take your laptops, move to another class. Put the screenshot, and then you can leave for today. I will put the screenshot in the group. Thank you all.
Last week.